Welcome back to the Vispeahen Data Analytics and Visualization Platform. Let's take a quick look at how to use it. Topics of this quick review are the login page, main panel, and its buttons. Let's start with the login screen. Sign in by entering your username and password on the login screen. This is a new user, as you will see when you first start. That's why there is no dashboard or report available on the main panel yet. So let's check the main panel. Get started via buttons on the top bar. Main panel. Help. Notifications from teammates appear here, and the user button. By clicking the user button, we see the profile, admin page, and logout options. We can use New Dashboard button to start creating a new dashboard, or create a new report with the New Report button. We can list all our labels with the Labels button and choose which labels to show in our main panel. And finally, let's have a look to the search box on the main panel. We've switched to another user account which has dashboards for that. We can find our existing dashboards and reports from the search box. All searches will be listed in name and content details with the Search Auto Complete feature. Vispeahen.